The landscape of AI and machine learning jobs is undergoing a significant transformation, with increasing demand and evolving skill sets expected by 2026. The global AI market is projected to reach an astounding $900 billion by 2026, signaling immense growth and opportunities across various sectors. AI and ML are transitioning from optional to essential skills, even in non-tech sectors like marketing, HR, and logistics, which are actively seeking AI or ML professionals. India alone is projected to have over 1 million AI or ML jobs, with global AI-related roles expected to grow significantly due to widespread adoption. Technological advancements, increased data availability, and the demand for automation are key factors driving this rapid growth. Companies are automating processes to enhance productivity and leveraging AI for enhanced customer experiences through personalization. Emerging roles include AI or ML engineers, who are the core builders of AI systems, designing and optimizing machine learning at scale. Generative AI specialists, also known as LLM engineers, build custom applications on foundational models like GPT-4, utilizing techniques such as RAG and fine-tuning. AI architects design and implement AI solutions aligned with business goals, while AI product managers strategize at the intersection of business, user experience, and technical feasibility. AI ethics consultants ensure responsible AI development, addressing algorithmic bias, and AI security engineers protect AI systems from cyber threats. MLOps engineers build automated, scalable pipelines for deploying, monitoring, and retraining models in production environments. AI software developers integrate AI models into user-facing products, and prompt engineers create instructions for AI models to produce useful outputs. Essential technical skills for 2026 include advanced machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, and data engineering. Proficiency in Python, AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and cloud deployment in environments like AWS and GCP are also crucial. Non-technical skills like ethical AI, business strategy, adaptability, continuous learning, and prompt engineering are equally vital. In financial services, AI is used for credit risk models and fraud detection, while healthcare leverages AI for diagnostic tools and clinical note summarization. The public sector uses AI for citizen support and fraud detection, and manufacturing benefits from predictive maintenance and demand forecasting. AI roles command high salaries, with base pay ranging from $175,000 to $340,000, and total compensation reaching millions in elite positions. Challenges include job market disruption, ethical concerns, global competition, and a squeeze on entry-level roles. Job seekers should develop strong portfolios, specialize in niches, master core tools, and contribute to open-source projects. By 2027, AI will be integrated into 70% of businesses, and 40% of enterprise applications will leverage task-specific AI agents by 2026. AI is set to reshape developer roles, with 65% of senior developers anticipating a redefinition of their responsibilities. Many expect to move from coding to designing technical solutions, focusing on strategy and architecture, leading to more streamlined teams. The future of AI or ML jobs in 2026 promises dynamic growth and exciting opportunities for those prepared to adapt and innovate.